Lester. Thank you for your inquiry on the 2019 Hyundai Ioniq. As you can see, I got one pulled up here behind us. Let's go through it real quick. Got your beautiful cascading grille, Hyundai emblem, daytime running lights, LED headlights, 17-inch premium alloy wheels. Let's take a look on the inside. This one's gonna have the leather. It's gonna have your LED touchscreen display, heated seats, lane keep assist, blind spot warning, plenty of other features. But Lester, that's not the best part. The best part about us here is our warranties. We got a 5-year new car bumper to bumper 60,000 mile warranty and a 10-year 100,000 mile powertrain warranty, which we double exclusively here at Tameron to 20 years 200,000 miles. I'll be your point of contact. My name's Kevin, so hit me up on my cell, 205-767-3050. You're gonna love the way you're treated here at Tameron Hyundai.